Step into a world of wonder at magical little minds. Get ready for fantastic stories that will transport you to extraordinary places. Remember to spread the magic by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.
Your Farm by Jon Klassen. This is your sun. It is coming up for you. This is your tree. It can go under the sun. This is your barn. It can go next to the tree. This is your horse. He can go in the barn. And here's some hay for him to eat. Here's your truck. It is a good truck. It can go in the barn too. Here's a stool so you can sit down. It can go under the tree. And here is a fence to go around everything. This is your farm. Now it is done. Now the sun is going back down. Now everyone is closing their eyes. Now your farm is asleep. Now you can sleep too and think about what you will do there tomorrow.
Thank you for joining us on this magical reading journey. If you're ready to continue the fun and learn even more, visit our Etsy shop for exciting educational printables. You can count on us to make learning numbers fun and easy with our popular animal jungle-themed kids numbers flashcards. Let's keep the learning adventure going. Head over to our Etsy shop now and make learning numbers a colorful and engaging experience.